Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to grow your clan in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen prompts to download or install. Now, after downloading, it's going to take you right into the application itself where you're going to ask to play the first phase of a tournament that's going to be given to you. Once you're done with that phase, it's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. So now that let's quickly hop into today's steps, just how to grow your clan in Clash Royale. Let's say you went through the process of creating your clan and you want to learn how to grow your clan. This is how to get that done. Number one, you have to push your clan on YouTube. So share your clan to YouTube, let them know what is going on YouTube so that you can get a number of following and you can get a lot of people who will notice your clan and join your clan. And you can also push your clan on Discord. So go ahead and create a Discord group and just get people, build a community on Discord. Then you have then the next step that you can take is keeping your clan very active. So once you've created your clan, ensure that your clan is very active. Ensure that you send messages, really amazing messages to your to the members of your community. Send greetings, just keep up with them, let them know that you're interested in their well-being. And the next is start your clan with a few friends that you can trust. So start with a few friends, and the next thing you can do to grow your clan is to donate to them. So donate to your clan members once in a while. So open your clan and donate to them. This is how you can even access your clan. After creating your clan, just go ahead and click here. So here says no clan. I have no clan. If you have a clan, you'll be able to see your clan in here and you'll be able to engage with your clan community. So donate to them once in a while. Let them know that you reward them. All right. And another way to grow your clan is to, of course, start conversations, which of course I've said, keep it very active and use higher leagues. So people would like to join clans that actually have higher leagues. So ensure that you play higher leagues and people be interested in joining your clan. So that's just pretty much how you can grow your clan. So use any of the steps and you will see you will record tremendous success in the growth of your clan. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.